All right, so I'm gonna do this one right here, Matilda. So let's see. She has a pretty relaxed expression, so I want to get that expression down here. Maybe I might go a little bit bigger on the eyes, right, and have her kind of looking over here. And then I want my nose shape to be kind of like this, just very round, and she has a little smile with a lot of room in between the lip and the top lip. So do like this and like that. All right, so this is pretty much the expression that I want for her. So now all I have to do is make sure that I keep my face pretty round in this one, right? So I want something that's gonna be round. So I'm not gonna break my line down here. Because when you put line breaks, sometimes it really does a number on your picture. So I try to avoid the line breaks. When I want to keep youth in the picture, I try to go with one continuous shape. All right, now that there, and this here. All right, and maybe we can. She has a little bit of space between here and there, and then we got like I guess we're just gonna go with this shape here, boo, and then we'll go with this shape here, boo. All right. Okay. Okay. And then we'll go with the back part of the hair, which is kind of like a little curve like this. So we're just going to kind of come off, come around, curve in and curve back out. And then the same thing here. She got like a little straight drop here. Okay. And then we got her little lapels on the jacket. And this one's going to be short in regards to this one being longer. Okay, then she has some little, she got some little dimples right here that even kind of go with her mouth a little bit, like right here. She got some little eyelashes. All right. I moved the eyebrows up a little bit more. But you can do stuff like that in Caricature, right? Then we just put some little eyelashes here. Okay. All right, and then we can just do some shadows real quick. Okay. I'll just do something real quick. Okay, so that's my my quick little version of Matilda for you. guess we can use this. All right, and I think that I am done. All right.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.